Alright, let's do this morning omelette. Butter olive oil on hot pan. Cut some mushrooms, cut some tomatoes, put them on that pan. Now let's cut some salami, put it in the small pieces, put it there in the pan, mix everything nicely. Now the eggs. Let's do 3 eggs. Let's break them. 1, 2, 3. Spice them up with the salt and pepper. One more egg, why not? Let's mix them all together, like so. Add a little bit of milk. Mix everything to perfection. Now pour it in, like this, round and nice. Look at that. Cover with lid, cook for 4 minutes, then turn off the heat. So yummy. Look at that puffy omelette. Let's portion it up like so and serve it onto the plate. So amazing. Look at that. Yummy, tasty, steamy, and delicious. Some greens. Let's try it. Yummy. Subscribe, my friend.